The third problem on Bayes theorem is about scooters manufactured in some plants, sorry, in factories. We have already discussed the problem on the bolt, finding out a defective bolt from different types of machines is the first one. Second one is students passing the Viva voice examination, and there are three categories of students. First one is very intelligent, second one is medium students, and the third one is of um, below average students. We have found out different answers based on the values which are given to us. In the first problem, we were given direct probabilities were given, percentages, 25 percentage, 35 percentage, 40 percentage, 5 to 4 percentages of were being defective, and the second case was given as values were given to us, so that we found out the proportions, and which are also called as probabilities over there. That means out of 75 students, they said that 15 students were very intelligent, 30 were medium, and the rest were below average student, and the probabilities of failing the Viva voice was given, but the question asked on passing the Viva voice examination, so we have converted the probability from failing to the passing the Viva voice examination. And continued by the third one is that here let us see the situation. A company has 3 plants to manufacture 8,000 scooters in a month. Out of 8,000, plant 1 manufactures 4,000, plant 2 manufactures 3,000, and plant 3 manufactures 1,000 scooters. At plant 1, 85 out of 100 scooters are standard quality. At plant 2, 65 out of 100 are standard quality. And at plant 3, only 60 out of 100 are rated as standard quality. So what is the probability that scooter selected at random came from plant 1, plant 2, plant 3? Three questions. If it is known that the scooter is of standard quality, so they were giving us a condition on standard quality scooter. Okay, that is the condition. Okay, let's get into the problem now. There are 3 plants in a company, plant 1, 2, and 3. Altogether, these 3 plants manufacture 8,000 scooters in a month. Now, out of 8,000, plant 1 is manufacturing 4,000 scooters. That means what is the probability of manufacturing, or the proportion of scooters manufactured by plant 1? That is 4,000 by 8,000, which is called as 50% of the scooters are manufactured by plant 1 itself. Next, plant 2 is manufacturing 3,000 scooters, and as well as plant 1 is 3 is manufacturing 1,000 scooters over here. Now, based on this information, along with that, there is some more information given to us. Now, out of the scooters manufactured by plant 1, 85 scooters were, that means out of 100, 85 scooters are found to be standard quality. That means 85% of the production is standard quality from plant 1. That means the remaining 15% were found to be defective or not a standard quality scooter. Similarly, plant 2 is giving out 65%, and plant 3 is giving out only 60% of the scooters which are of standard quality scooters. Okay, now let's check it out. How do we solve this problem? Now, first of all, I already told you that we have to find out 6 things. That means if the condition given on 3 plants, 3 machines, 3 category of people, then we have P of E1, E2, E3. For suppose if we have 4, then we have 4 events: E1, E2, E3, and E4. So the first one is P of E1. P of E1 means the proportion of scooters manufactured by plant 1. What is the proportion here? It is 4,000 divided by 8,000 is equal, it is 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. That means 50% of the scooters are manufactured by plant 1. Now similarly, let us see the second one. Now P of E2 is the proportion of scooters manufactured by plant 2. And how many scooters they are manufacturing? Only 3,000 scooters out of 8,000 scooters. So it is almost near to the 50%, but it is below than 50%, right? So it becomes 3.75 will be the answer of the given. Now last one is The proportion of scooters manufactured by plant 3. Plant 3 is how much? They are manufacturing only 1000 scooters out of 8000. So it becomes 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means 0.125 will be the answer of the given value. Now, so selection of each plant is finished. The probability of selecting first plant is 50%. Probability of selecting second plant is 37.5%, and probability of selecting third plant is only 12.5% according to our terminology. Now we have to define the value A. What do you mean by A here? See, in the first problem they were mentioning about the defective, so we have selected defective bold. Second one they told us it is a passing viva voce examination, so we have taken the condition A as passing viva voce examination. Now here it is selecting the standard quality scooter. So let A be an event of selecting a standard quality scooter. Then the probability of getting a standard quality scooter from plant 1, okay, probability of getting or percentage of standard quality scooters from plant 1 is equal to how many? They themselves so told us that 85 out of 100 are standard quality scooters. So it is 85 divided by 100, that is equal to 0.85 will be our answer. And the next one is now percentage of standard quality scooters from plant 2, and it is manufacturing how many? They said that 65 out of 100 are standard quality scooters. So the answer would be 0.65. Next value is, and the last value is the percentage of standard quality scooters from plant 3 now. So plant 3 is manufacturing only 60% of standard quality scooters. That means 0.60. So we are done with all the 6 values. That means whatever the values which are given in our question, we have made them into the standardized points now. Based on it, what are they asking us to find out? What is the probability that the scooter selected at random came from plant 1 and the scooter is known to be a standard quality scooter? Now check out the question. So what is the first one? What they are saying? If a scooter is found to be a standard quality, what is the probability that it is from plant 1? Here we go. This is our formula, and we are going to substitute the values in this one. So what is the numerator values that we have? We have first one is P of E1 into P of A by E1. P of E1 value is 0.5, 50%. The probability of selecting plant 1 is 50% into the probability of getting a standard quality scooter from plant 1 is 0.85. Plant 85. This is the numerator. That means P of E1 into P of A by E1. Now divided by, I have to come up with all the denominator values. E1 into A by E1, E2 into A by E2, E3 into A by E3. So now let us write P of E1 into A by E1 will be the same one. Now second one is probability of selecting the second scooter is how much here? It is 0.375 into the probability of getting a standard scooter is 65% only. Plus we have the third one to go, and the probability of selecting the third plant is 0.125, and the proportion of standard quality scooters out of this machine is only 60%. So we are done with that. So what would be the answer after calculating? By calculating, I got the answer as 0.572. That means the probability of getting a standard quality scooter from plant 1 is 57.2%. Okay, this is the conclusion of the problem. Now let us move the same question on to the second one. Now, what is the probability of getting a standard quality scooter from plant 2? Instead of E1, we will substitute E2 on the numerator. Now, the formula remains same, only the numerator value keep changes. So that is how we have the formula. So E2 by A is equal to E2 into A by A2 divided by total number of exhaust events. So now let me substitute the values. So here, see, since earlier it was P of E1 by A1, we have the first expression. Now we have to make change to the numerator as these values. So by calculating this answer, we get the answer as 0.323. That means the probability of getting a standard quality scooter from plant 2 is how much? It is only 32.3 percentage. 32.3 percentage. As similar to that, and the final one would be of what is the probability of getting a standard quality scooter from plant 3? From plant 3. It is now again we just simply change the numerator value. The last expression would be changed over here. So by that, we get the answer as 0.1009. So that means only 10.1% chance of getting a standard quality scooter from plant 3. Why? Because see, even the number of scooters manufactured by the plant 1 is how many? 1000 out of 8000. That means only 12.5% of the scooters are being manufactured, out of which only 60% of the scooters are being a standard quality scooter. So then the probability of expecting, that means the expectation of a standard quality scooter from out of 8000 scooters could be of only 10% only. So this is